Hello YouTube. Today we will be taking a look at Apple Watch docks, more specifically the standard wired one and the more premium magnetic charging dock. This one was shipped to me and comes in a nice box with the same style of packaging as other Apple products. Moving the shipping box out of the way, I also have the standard wired cable that can be purchased separately but is included with brand new watches. Comparing the boxes showed that there is quite a difference in packaging. The dock has a much higher quality box with cellophane, while the charging cable is in a cheaper box that you get a small accessory from. Now, time for the specifications. The magnetic charging cable retails for $29 and is a wired cable just like the Lightning or 30-pin cables. It comes in various lengths, but 1 meter is usually the standard. And they also have a USB-C version along with the normal USB-A. The dock retails for $79 and can use any old Lightning cable. Now, inside the charging cable box, it reveals the charger itself wrapped up along with the standard leaflets of information. You got your 1-year limited warranty like any other Apple device, and FCC compliance, basically saying it won't catch on fire. Now, since there's nothing else in the box, putting that to the side, we can look at the cable itself. If you want to, you could get a USB extender and leave the cable wrapped up, because it is technically already its own little dock. Putting a watch on it shows that yes, it does indeed charge the watch. Now, to look at the fancier model. And for this one, we have to bring out Old Reliable. The cellophane has to be cut, but just like other products, I try my best to leave it intact so that the box is dust free. Some fiddling around later, and now we can crack this bad boy open. First impressions, it seems quite nice. It has a high quality feel to it with a soft textured top and a microfiber type of base. I'd recommend that the area is relatively dust free before placing it, otherwise it would be really annoying to clean it. And the charger itself is movable, more on that in a bit. And like I said earlier, if you have a USB extender, the cable can easily replicate the dock, as they have the same diameter. Removing the tray on top reveals a long Lightning cable neatly coiled up, which is extremely handy for a dock like this. Underneath that reveals the paperwork, which is in a weird plastic sleeve. But inside it shows you how to actually connect the dock to a charger and how the middle section is movable. The quick start guide is otherwise pretty plain. The rest of the papers are simply safety information about it, along with the standard 1-year warranty leaflet. Now that that's off to the side, let's actually try this out. Plugging the dock into the wall does in fact charge the Apple Watch. Who'd have thought? And it goes into different orientations depending on how the dock is oriented. It's a great nightstand piece due to the watch having an OLED screen. Other than that, both are chargers and they do serve the same purpose. One just looks fancier. That basically sums up this unboxing. There isn't much to talk about these other than that they were made with the sole intention of charging a watch. And no, these are not intended to charge an iPhone or any other iDevice other than the Apple Watch. So don't try it won't work. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching.